Gonna climb a little bit here. Coming up is the Wildlife Visitor Center. That's what you see there in the distance. So I was having a hard time doing this with my current setup. Trying to do it with a selfie stick, and it's okay, but I definitely could probably get better results if I had this up on a tripod. But I'm cruising at about 300 feet, give or take, altitude wise, distance wise. I'm coming up on almost a mile at this point. So, and I'm starting to get weak signal now. And I've just lost. Oh, so return to home should be initiated at this point. And,
Go home.
return to home has been initiated. And so now I'm traveling back. And so I wanted to, on the right there, that is a old landfill that was covered up maybe 25, 30 years ago. And so this is a great place to fly. There's no obstructions or anything of that nature. Right now I'm about 300 feet, so I'm going to reduce my altitude here. And like I was saying, there on the right, that's an old landfill. So that's what it looks like once it's covered up and been revised and reused. And so I'm about a quarter mile out now, and I have visual sight on the drone, so don't worry, I can see it. I'm literally standing. I know it looks like I'm far away, but I like to fly here because I can always keep visual contact on the drone, because it's a pretty clear path, even though it looks greater than it is. So now we're coming up on about less than a quarter of a mile, maybe a tenth of a mile out. And I'm just beyond those trees there. So I don't know if you can see me, but I'll wave. How you doing? Waving to it. And so I always like to clear the trees first. I did definitely have an accident the first time that I tried this. And I came in too low and nipped the trees. And luckily it fell on the side where I could still access it. And it has found me. Hello. And now it's going to do its descent to return home. Oh, probably should point down so you can see me. That's me, see? I'm right there. It's a very interesting flight, to say the least. So excuse me. Getting choked up. Welcome home. And the return to home was successful. So, but I always talk about exploration and trying new things. So I wanted to come out and try this today, and hopefully you enjoyed it. Listen, you're never too old to try something new. It's never too late to try something new or to pick up a new hobby, a new skill. As long as you breathe in, the opportunity to do something new is always available.
Like I always say, dreams are not just for sleeping. Wake up and live your dreams. I'm Trey Evans. Tell somebody about the dream.
Tell them about the dream.